Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to receive money on PayPal business account. To receive money here in your business account, I have made a sample account right here, and it's even been flagged down for suspiciousness because this is for you guys as usual. So here, to receive money from your business account, we can do one thing. We can invoice, we can request money, and there you go. You can even send your link to them in case you want money to be received. So we're gonna do one, which is request payment from. It's the simplest and it's always the easiest. So you just type their name, username, email, or mobile. You can even create an invoice right here. So let's create invoice right here. So who are we billing? We're gonna place the name. So just place sample for now. And then we're gonna bill them for something since we're in a business. So let's say item 1. So there you go. So this will also use your email and your details. So even your name, location, invoice, date, mobile preview, email preview, and it's all seen here. And as you can see, this is gonna be what it's gonna look like if it's a mobile preview, so that you'll get paid. So you're gonna receive this once they pay you. So you can also add notes and attachments if you want to, and it's also doable in your PayPal Business Mobile. So there you go guys, that is how you do it. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.